Hi guys, Ross here from Lifestyle Property People. So I've just completed on a property, now at the property, up on the second floor in the second bedroom. I just wanted to give you a quick tour. So this room, I've never seen anything like this room. Well, for starters, it's a big sized double bedroom. It's obviously got a dormer fitted with two decent sized windows, but the walls on the room, they're like a rendered kind of finish. It's left quite a rough texture to the walls, but it actually looks really good, and I think it'll be really appealing to tenants. Lovely brown colour on the walls, and on the floor they've got the existing floorboards, and they've painted them they being the previous tenants or homeowners, they've been painted like a bit of an off-white colour, but matching with the walls, or together with the walls, they look really good. So we're going to leave this room as it is. It's in great condition, very little to do. So like I say, we're going to leave it as it is. We're going to move the smoke detector out into the top of the stairs, into the communal area, replace the carpet grippers. There's a bit of sharp edge showing where there would have been carpet. Other than that, this room is perfect. So I will now take you downstairs. As we go down the stairs, the walls have a similar effect. Not as rough, but very similar. Lighter shade of brown. Obviously this is only cosmetic stuff, but it's quite appealing, from my opinion, to the tenants or potential tenants. There's no handrails at the moment up there, but they'll be getting fitted. So obviously the tenant's safety is paramount. So now in the first bedroom, on the first floor. There's a few minor marks on the chimney breast wall there. We're just going to give them a little clean. It's not worth repainting the whole wall. The rest of it looks good, and they are just minor blemishes, nothing major. I'm going to fit a new carpet in here, probably a neutral colour carpet. The rest of the room is in good condition. So yeah, I think that's all we're going to do in this room. It's in really good condition. So I'll now take you into the bathroom. This bathroom's in quite good condition. There's very minimal work to do in here. I think all we're going to do is where these holes are, where the previous owners or tenants have taken away their items. We wouldn't normally do this, but we're just going to fit a mirror and a towel rail. It's probably the easiest way for us to cover them holes. Obviously the other option is to fill them and paint the wall, but this is the wall's a bit like an off magnolia, shall we say. Trying to match that colour wouldn't happen. That seems a bit of an easier and cheaper fix, obviously better for everybody. So yeah, that's the bathroom. I'll now take you down the stairs again. As you can see, there's no carpet at the moment. We'll be getting carpet put down and getting some handrails fitted on these stairs, but the walls are in good condition. Generally throughout this property, every room is in good condition, which is obviously great for the landlord, or the new owner, shall we say. I'm now in the living room. In here, the owner, or the previous owner, has taken away the fireplace, which has left a little bit of mess on this wall. I'll just show you close up, just around here. One option would be to, sand that back, fill it, and then paint the wall. But the wallpaper they've put on the wall is actually it's quite nice. Obviously, it's only cosmetic. It's not going to change the rent or anything. But from a potential tenant's point of view, if it's nicer, it's easier to let out for us. So what we're going to do there is put in a new fireplace, a new fire surround at the bottom. The fire, although it may not look that great on the photo, it's actually quite a nice fire. It's an electric fire. It's not worth getting rid of. So we'll be putting the fireplace in, putting the fire surround, electric fire back, and all that. It should hide all the minor issues there. In here, well, the other things we're going to do in here is new curtain pole. There's a board missing there. We're going to replace that. And that is it for this room. So I'll now take you into the kitchen. Quite a nice kitchen. The cupboards are all in good condition. Typical size kitchen. You've got great under counter space here, or you could have maybe, you know, use it as a breakfast bar and have your fridge there. Bit of touching up to do there, nothing major. As I say, the cupboards are all in good condition, so there's very little work in here. Put a new blind in. I've got smoke detectors in already, so fantastic. I'll now give you a quick look in the basement if there's a light on. No, unfortunately there's no light down there, so it's pointless taking you down there. There'll be nothing that you can see. But all in all, great purchase for our investor. Very little work to do. The refurb should be completed in a couple of weeks, and then we'll look to get it rented out. So that's all. See you again soon, guys.